News that is true, public service that is sincere, commentary that is fair, and entertainment that is proudly Pangasinense. This is your DWJE 88.1 FM Radyo Pangasinan. Going beyond just being number one. Working towards total domination.
Jad Dagupan, walay saksakay ang radio station ya iyayag na Saray Dagupenyo. Jad mamalingling. Mangin.
Paborito.
Mayombo.
Paborito.
Pantal.
Paborito.
Poblasyon Weste.
Paborito.
Tanjat Paguchiko.
Paborito.
Aya,
88.1 Radyo Pangasinan. Popular sa balita. Popular sa musika. Pangasinan Waves Network Corporation. Sa Pangasinan, we are the number one pop music station. DWJE 88.1 FM. Radyo Pangasinan.
Paborito.
Paborito ang kabataan at matatanda. Paboritong pakinggan sa bus, tricycle, jeep at mga opisina. Paborito mo, paborito ko, paborito natin lahat. DWJE 88.1 FM Radyo Pangasinan.
Number one pop music station.
Paborito.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated GP.
GP? Ano yun?
Garantisadong pampaborito. SPM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Programan magipasabi na Saray Matuan nagagawa ed balay, probinsya, bansa, tanjat intiron mundo. SPM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Kaulo, Kantabayo, say lawas kaaro tangka paborito yo. Joseph Kanilang Bakani. SPM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 9 hanggang alas 10 na kabuwasan. SPM
Maaligwa si agaw na Lunes, Pangasinan, Dagupan, Wadjalaso, Saray Balitan Matua. SBM, say kabusol na Saray MBTF, managbalitay tilatan fake news. SBM, Saray Balitan Matua, ya ipasabi na say lawas yun kaaro, kapaborito yo JCB, Joseph Kanilang Bakani. Kantabay tayo at technical side, si Mr. E&D, Engineer Nixon Dakal. Agaw lalamat na Lunes, mga kapaborito, petsaon sila. Kumusta kila? Ang almusal kila? Ne, nyalara so Saray Balitan Matua at sa agaw na Lunes, pulis inalis dahil sa pananakit kay Mrs. Antulaya, Mother's Day panimat karuman, may 10 agaw tanatatang tanagagig. Insan nabantayan tayo at social media, so kulkulan nasa nasawa. Kulkulan nasa nasawa, ya no iner at nakarnan misis ya tinampal si mister. Kaya riton tinampal si mister, bimawi mat si mister. Tinampal to ni, pinuniti to ni, binugbog to ni. Antamanaya pulis. Pulis si sir. Nenatan, wala statement na samay. Amay mismon akwanta no si katoy provincial director. Niya pa, dengalan tayo. So sa may statement to my official, ditandad party na Bulacan, ni paakarat saya impakarilib. Nasayan abitlan na akusado ya pulis, official, nasa Philippine National Police.
Mapagpalang araw po sa mga minamahal namin kababayan. Ito po ay patungkol sa isang kumakalat na video footage sa kasalukuyan sa social media na kung saan po ay ating mapapanood ng isang kawawang babae ay sinasaktan ng isang lalaki. At ayon na rin po sa ating paunang investigasyon, ang nasabing lalaki ay lumalabas sa isang tauhan ng ating himpilan. Kaya agad po natin siyang nililip o inalis sa kanyang pwesto at kasalukuyang inalagay dito sa police station for restricted custody. Agad rin po natin dinasamahan ng kanyang mga issued firearms. Kasama na rin po ang kanyang PNP ID upang hindi niya magamit sa anumang pag-abuso o pananakot sa biktima at sa buong pamilya ng ating biktima. Sa kasalukuyan po, ang ating biktima ay andito sa ating police station at kinukuhaan ng kanyang kaukulang pahayag para sa pagsasampa ng kriminal at administrative complaint laban po sa nasabing pulis. Ang nasabi pong insidente ay isang malinaw na paglabag sa karapatan ng tao at isang malinaw na pag-abuso sa kababaihan. Ito po ay mariing tinututulan at mariing kinukundina ng aming himpilan. Ito rin po ay isang malinaw na paglabag sa umikiran na kautusan ng Philippine National Police. Sa ngalan po ng Malolos City Police Station, rest assured po ng karapatan po at kaligtasan ng biktima ay aming protektahan. Kasama na rin po ang kanyang buong pamilya. Maraming salamat po at mag-iingat po tayong lahat.
Si katutan na tatang tanagagik so sa may statement na sa may higher official tuman so police wala mo sa statement to ditan mismo ng PNP Chief General Jose Milencio Nartatis Jr. Say kwantod sa may statement to atatang tanagagik. The Philippine National Police is taking the incident involving a police officer in Malolos City with utmost seriousness. The concerned personnel has already been relieved from post, placed under restrictive custody and disarmed pending the outcome of the ongoing investigation. Both administrative and criminal proceedings are now being undertaken in coordination with the proper authorities to ensure that all facts are thoroughly established and appropriate actions are carried out in accordance with the law. The PNP does not tolerate any misconduct that undermines public trust and will ensure that accountability applies to all personnel regardless of rank or position. At the same time, the PNP appeals to the public to allow the proper legal process to take its course and to refrain from spreading unverified information that may affect the integrity of the investigation. The Philippine National Police remains committed to professionalism, accountability, and the fair and impartial application of due process. Police General Jose Milencio Nartatis Jr., Chief, Philippine National Police. Si katutan na tatin tanagagi kata masyadong sikat yan natan. Susayan video ya bantayan at social media at atin tanagagi. Pero in fairness, at sa may police, antay kasi at ating tanagagik atay lupa aralin tayo at ating tanagagik tas ikatumat sa imbangat nasaray law professor katuti ibabangat nasaray law professor at saray law schools atay lupa nasa kaya to masagradutan sakitan mo lang arum ya party nalaman na to alaglabat tay lupa taditanod lupa wadtan so sa may integridad na sa kaya too. Yan o, si katutan so sinakitan mo, si katutan so tinampal mo, tay lupa na to. That will constitute unlawful aggression. That will constitute unlawful aggression. Yan o, binmawi may tinampal mo natan, sa depensa to, antayon ang depensa to, self-defense. And he can invoke that. self-defense. He can invoke that. Kasi you initiated the unlawful aggression. Kaya akay basta-basta manasampal na tuo at ating danagagik. That is unlawful aggression. And it is an actual physical assault upon the person of another. Kaya tandaan nyo tan. However, at sa may agawa, binmawi may pulis, yanakartumo lang binugbugbog may misis. May misis to, o may partner to. Tandaan timat, na for self-defense to prosper, for self-defense to prosper, the means employed to prevent or repel the aggression must likewise be reasonably necessary under the circumstances. While the slap may satisfy the element of unlawful aggression, it does not automatically justify any and all retaliatory acts by the man if the force used was excessive or disproportionate to the aggression committed. The claim of self-defense will fail. Si katutan, so bangat nasari abogado at sari nando naman law school sa tatang tanagagi. While slapping constitutes unlawful aggression because it is an actual physical assault upon the person of another, however, self-defense, in order for self-defense to prosper, the means employed to prevent or repel the aggression must likewise be reasonably necessary under the circumstances. Ay nako, nung kayo humarap sa altar, di ba nangako kayo for better or for worse? Kayo ay magsasama agaduga, Engineer Nixon, for better or for worse. Pantungtungan nyo'y maong for better or for worse itan, pantungtungan nyo'y maong amin niya problema na alad maong ya, tungtungan. Agauntan, Engineer Nixon, agauntan, tano aggression namin, puro aggressive kayo namin, ang nga po, nilawan kini. Singanatan niya ago, paano nailawan, iraramay congressman tayo. Ay age, pambuto sandanata natatang tanagagik, manconvene iranatan at hahatulan na po ng Kamara si Vice President Sara Duterte whether or not isagap datan sa impeachment ya kaso kontrad sigato di man at Senado. Sa kwandara lang te arom analisa dare arom at ating tanagagik at singa antayo may gunshot wedding niya konda. Parang they have no choice but to support lapud ta sa nununutan da ko no at sa kanupugan na sa constituents da at sa distrito da. Antuta na kanupugan so walad kanunutan da. Sa iba bagatan kanunutan da at sa tanlanti so kanupugan dan makaawat na proyekto, makapanggawa na proyekto, makala na pundo para sa rin ang duruman proyekto at distrito da. Si katutan so singa babagadan concern na sararaya ay so pero Los Benos iran membro na House of Representatives. Yan o nanunutan nyo untan mo sa statement to nen Senadora Amy Marcos wala ray singa napipersa because otherwise ang kapinaaladan singa sustento ito at mabayag ni su eleksyon paano na ani naurasan ira. So singa aliling to at ating tanagagig aguntan natan say kwandamat na sari arom akinat nakaukulan singara may pakaskasi iray miyembro na House of Representatives no idandara no andi na pundo sa tupot dalanti at ating tanagagig who has the power of purse. Si pa yung manaaproba nasa ratay budget nasa bansa tayong Pilipinas. Agad di ba si Kara? Undadala na si Kara. So, SARAY budget kaya aprobaan. O si Kara man na-aproban nasa tay budget na Pilipinas. Sa Office of the Executive, mangisubmit na SARA may projected iran pundo para da untumbok sa taon, halimbawa 2027, tani 2026 lanatan. Mangisubmit iran na sa may projected budget for 2027. Antoy kwan na tayo, di ba undalan na the House of Representatives? In the same manner at lokalidad untan mo, sa local chief executive, idalan to at sangguniang panlalawigan, sangguniang bayan, sangguniang panglungsod for that matter, gauntan. Tapian aprobaan daman so budget. Say manapruban natin na sa may budget, sa sangguniang sa House of Representatives, sa Senado, sa sangguniang panlalawigan, sa sangguniang bayan, sa sangguniang panglungsod, kuto anda iman so budget yain submit. Nayarin either aprobaan da in toto or nayarin kuto anda ni bawasan da or either arumandamat, saragtumat, agauntan. So they have that power. Walat si Karaso sa may pakapanyari agauntan na tatantanagagig. Aprobaan itan sa budget. So akin at singara pakaskasi kwanda. They have the power of the purse. Natan, no gipitan darag, daridan na pundo, di agdamat aprobaan. Either bawasan da o di no arumanda. It is in their hands. Agauntan na tatantanagagig. Whether they have to pass, approve the budget na sa bansa tayong Pilipinas or not. So, si Katuya so amay agabal na tubok na amay kalakal na sari arum, akita masyado ran ang takot. Pero Los Benos, agtimat ira ikakalakalan, paano na ani wala mo so arum niran rasunda. Nung nangantay nanin, nung tipawayan, nasa tay resulta tay ipadalandad plenary natan. So sa tay faith ng Vice President Sara Duterte. No kasi, naisagat kasi Senado, so sa tay impeachment case, laban na si Kato, no man bilang, at makala na 106 or more votes at plenary session na sa Kongreso natin, or nayari matyandi. Pero sa man lante, si Katutay yung papuay, lapod lante for consideration. Ang tutano consideration ay, ang tuwami baganan na Senador Amy Marcos, si Katulaman. Okay? Natan, naman bilang at naisagatan, then the Senate will convene in bilang isang impeachment court sa Mayo 13. So, May 11, Mayo 13, di Wednesday lang tampol. Miyerkules ya tampol, katutan kapulos. At atong tanagagi. Ay, agi. Amputaputang. Amputaputang. So, SARAY issue, amputaputang mat sa panaon. Ni babansag mat sa putang na panaon. Nalilik na yo. Agale sa limuot. Ang gano wala kilad si Rom. Ang gano wala kilad loob na abong yun. Manlingat kini, man ter-ter-ter so lingat. Sobra laye panaon tayo atatan tanagagi. Yase babagadi na SARAY experts, posible na umabot sa extreme danger level ang heat index na maitatala lalong-lalo na sa huling bahagi ng buwan ng Mayo ayon sa forecast monitoring. Sa ikwanda atatang tanagagik, inaasahan na aabot sa 50 degrees centigrade ang maitatala na heat index kung saan ay nasa peak season month ang Pilipinas. Nasa peak season month na ang Pilipinas ng dry season o kaya tag-init bago ang inaasahang transition period ng papalapit na habagat season. Kaya naman, pinag-iingat po tayo sa banta ng heat stroke. Ni walalari anong nungtay social media na andian, inatakid puso, na high blood, at bakterira atatan tanagagik lapot heat stroke, putang na panaon. Kaya ang advice sa lahat, o galiing uminom ng tubig, magbaon ng payong panangga sa init, at laging updated sa pinapalabas na balita at abiso ng ating pamahalaan tungkol sa lagay ng panahon. Atan labat at ating tanagagik ta, ang putang lalante panahon, maingungo ka ni. Wala rin rason na sa ating pakaingungutan mo. Singasay lang mo tayo. Pinmaway sulistaan na saramay top 10 most complaint agency for March 2026. Ginang ninyo. Bitlang kura may top 10 ya most complaint agency. Araraya may agency either national government agencies or government-owned and controlled corporations. So hatol ng bayan at ingungot da at sararaya ya agencies na gobyerno tayo. The national government agency sa imanunaan pero los bueno sa Land Transportation Office LTO with 152 complaint, 20 active, 132 closed. Land Transportation Office. Jadsara Aminya National Government Agencies, number 1 so LTO. Number 2, Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR. Number 3, Food and Drug Administration. Number 4, Land Registration Authority or Registry of Deeds. Number 5, Philippine Statistics Authority. Number 6, Department of Education. Number 7, National Telecommunications Commission. Number 8, Department of Migrant Workers. Number 9, Professional Regulation Commission. Number 9 ni Nantay, Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. And number 10, Department of Science and Technology. Si karaya kuno sa most complaint agency, national government agency. According to this statistics, listanin pa wala. Saray government-owned and controlled corporations ballot, sa number 1, SSS, Social Security System. Number 2, Home Development Manual Fund or Pag-ibig. Number 3, Philippine Health Insurance Corporation. Number 4, Philippine Postal Corporation. Number 5, Land Bank of the Philippines. Number 6, Government Service Insurance System. Number 7, National Irrigation Administration. Number 8, Laguna Lake Development Authority. Number 9, Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. And number 10, National Food Authority. Si Karaya. So sara may national government agencies, tan government-owned and controlled corporations, yung most complaint agency, top 10, most complaint agency for March 2026 as received. Ibig sabihin, marami silang natatanggap na reklamo either against them, against their operation. Kanya si Katuya Supin Maway. Impaway listaan na say ARTA under Bagong Pilipinas. Saray Balitan Matwa, SBM sa ikabusol na Saray MBTF managbalita itilatan fake news ang tuloy kaya rin inasarin pakabat tan paimano malalapunid Saray manangantabay.
Ang puta-putang irang balita.
Huwag niyo kong subukan.
I am sorry.
Kung walang kurap, walang mahirap.
My God, I hate drugs.
Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Ang puta-putang irang sunata.
Dami yung
Son ang puta-putang irang impormasyon. Aya sa number 1 pop music station. DWJE 88.1 FM. Radyo Pangasinan.
paborito.
Want to escape the hustle and bustle of city life? Look no further than the River Palm Hotel and Resort, your premier destination for affordable luxury in Pangasinan. Nestled in the heart of Barangay Banyaga, Bugalyon, our hotel is surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the Agno River. Our haven for comfort embodies the essence of Southeast Asian hospitality. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just a peaceful retreat, the River Palm Hotel and Resort is the perfect choice. So what are you waiting for? Book a tranquil experience where unforgettable memories are waiting to be made. For reservations and more information, visit our Facebook page, River Palm Hotel and Resort. Your home by the river awaits you.
Ngayong 2025 ay ang ika-100 taon ng pagbibigay serbisyong pangkalusugan ng Region 1 Medical Center bilang isa ng 1,500 bed capacity na ospital. Mas marami pa ang mapapagaling at buhay na madudugtungan ng ospital di lamang sa Pangasinan kundi sa buong Northern Luzon sa tulong ng 12 accredited residency training programs at 13 active specialty centers nito: Cancer Center, Dermatology Center, Eye Center, Heart Center, Toxicology Center, Burn Care Unit, Center for Mental Health, Acute Stroke Unit, Geriatric Center, Infectious Disease Center, Kidney Transplant Unit, Lung Center at Trauma Center. Patuloy na mangunguna ang R1MC sa pagpapaigting at pagpapaibayo ng dekalidad na healthcare delivery hanggang sa susunod na siglo. 100 years of healing, compassion, and service. Region 1 Medical Center, ang inyong partner sa kalusugan. Region 1, number 1.
Asahan po ninyo ang dekalidad na serbisyo sa Region 1 Medical Center at ng Department of Health. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Dr. Joseph Roland O. Mejia, ang inyong Centennial Medical Center Chief ng R1MC. Sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay mahalaga.
Hindi ba napapansin ang inyong negosyo, mga kapaborito? Abay, magpa-advertise ka na dito sa DWJE 88.1 FM Radyo Pangasinan. We are located at the 3rd floor of Jumel Building, A.B. Fernandez East, Taguban City. Or you may contact us at 0968-444-4290 or 0956-168-4908. O bueno, mga kapaborito, magpa-advertise na! This is DWJE 88.1 FM Radio Pangasinan, whose sole mission is to inform, to educate, to entertain, delivering to all Pangasinenses news that is true, public service that is sincere, commentary that is fair, and entertainment that is proudly Pangasinense. This is your DWJE 88.1 FM Radio Pangasinan, going beyond just being number 1, working towards total domination.
Diyan Pangasinan, walay saksakaya radio station ya iiyag na Saray Pangasinense. Diyan Asinggan,
Paborito.
Palunga,
Paborito.
Natividad,
Paborito.
Rosales,
Paborito.
San Manuel,
Paborito.
San Nicolas,
Paborito.
San Quintin,
Paborito.
Santa Maria,
Paborito.
Tanjad Tayog,
Paborito.
Aya,
88.1 Radyo Pangasinan. Ang inyong official summer station. Ito po ang DWJE 88.1 FM Radyo Pangasinan.
Talagang summer ang saya-saya dito sa Pangasinan. Halina na mula Lingayen Beach, saya di mapantayan. Kasama barkada, buong pamilya. Summer ang saya. Oh, oh, Pangasinan, sigawan, go, go. Init at saya, sabay-sabay nating maranasan. Radyo Pangasinan.
Your fun under the sun summer station.
Summer ang saya.
Ang lahat ng opinyon at pananaw sa susunod na bahagi ng programa ay galing sa host anchor at panauhin lamang at hindi pananaw ng mga producers at ng pamunuan ng DWJE Radyo Pangasinan at Pangasinan Gulf Waves Network Corporation. SBM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Programan magipasabi na Saray Matuan nagagawa ed balay, probinsya, bansa, tanjat intiron mundo. SBM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Kaulo, Kantabayo, say lawas kaaro tang kapaborito yo. Joseph Kanilang Bakani. SBM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 9 hanggang alas 10 na kapuasan. SBM SBM is brought to you by Mars Restaurant, Galila, Mangantila, and Mars Restaurant. Matatagpuan sa Rufinas Square, Binmaloy, Pangasinan, just along the highway near Dagupan City. A perfect venue for a dinner date. Mars Restaurant. Come hungry, live happy.
Lumaban ka bayan, kung binmali, may pag-asa pa para bumangon at magkaisa. Tumindig ka bayan, kung binmali, hawak kamay nating harapin ang maayos na bukas at ihatid ang serbisyong agad maaasahan. O bayan, kung sinilangan, hindi ka nag-iisa, hindi ka iiwanan, ika'y sasamahan magpakailanman. Mahal kita, o bayan, kung binmali hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
Alas 9:34 as oras sa atin talagagig. Wala tilad mi kadwan takap na say Saray Balitan Matua. Liknay Binmalay portion. Hello, good morning kay Sir Baldo Sales. Sabi niya, good morning idol. Laging nakikinig sa DWJE 88.1 SBM Kwanto. Thank you, Sir Baldo. Kay Madam Emma Alipio, good morning Madam Emma. At sa lahat ng mga senior citizen sa Barangay Basing at siyempre ganun na rin sa buong bayan ng Binmalay. Lalong-lalo na sa mga single ladies na nabihing, na nakunching, na naperla, si Doktora Tan, si Kagawad Esperanza. Kumusta yung Mother's Day celebration nyo? Ay agini, dadako so ang anad Mars. Sa Mars Restaurant kasi, come hungry, live happy. Loob kayo narasan, unalis kayon malikat. So, ang Mars Restaurant po, matatagtuan po dyan sa Rufinas Square. Bukas po sila ng alas 4 ng hapon hanggang alas 11 ng hapon. Pero, open din sila for lunch reservation. Pero you have to inform them ahead of time. So if you are looking for a delectable yet budget-friendly treat, Mars Restaurant will satisfy your cravings. For melt-in-your-mouth baby back and pork ribs, mouth-watering cuts of steaks like ribeye, sirloin, T-bone, porterhouse, strip loin steaks, savory bangus a la pobre jam-packed with aromatic garlic bits. Meron din silang ultimate Pinoy pulutan like their signature mix o yung mga beef innards, sisig, chicharon bulaklak, and chicken supernova. Meron din po silang bulalo at saka sinigang to comfort you. For light meals, meron din po silang rich aligi pasta or out of the ordinary Spanish sardines pasta. Meron din silang satisfying chicken teriyaki wrap at New York strips wrap. Mars Restaurant, perfect for satisfying dates or late-night cravings. Come and visit also Mars Express sa Nagilain Binmalay for short orders anytime of the day with halo-halo to beat the heat. Yan. Antoy, kumusta kilat at Binmalay? Ini ang patapatang subalita natin ditan. Bali na Binmalay. Ni pakarada sayay so sa kaya tuo ya kapigan ng bungat at may inaresto na sa rekabyangan na CIDG. Ni nyamanay so circumstances na sa may impakaroldad sikato may circumstances of neutralization. Nan amay kapigan man na agaw ay labat so bulay mayo at atong tanagagik lately labat at about 9 o'clock in the morning, alas 9, yang atay 10:30 na labi of May 2026 di Tanad Barangay Poblasyon, Binmali, Pangasinan. Detectives of CIDG Pangasinan, PFU Satellite 3 in coordination with PTOC Pangasinan PPO implemented warrant of arrest for violation of physical abuse under Republic Act 9262 and incidental search to a lawful arrest for violation of Republic Act 10591, which resulted in the confiscation in the possession and control of the following pieces of evidence, to wit: 1 unit of Taurus caliber 40 pistol with serial number SBR 3375, 1 piece of magazine for caliber 40, 11 pieces of live ammunition for caliber 40, 1 piece of black sling bag with brand name Polo and Racket Club. The arrested suspect was informed of the nature of his arrest and appraised of his constitutional rights and anti-torture warning law in a dialect he fully understood. Yaatan niya tuo, yan naaristo na sa rekabyangan na CIDG at atong tanagagik, wala ray criminal activities and involvement to. Singa sa may sakoy, violation of RA number 10591 for inquest po yan, violation of physical abuse under RA 9262, ongoing trial, usurpation of authority or official function under Revised Penal Code Article 177, and falsification of public document under Article 172, number 1, in relation to Article 171, number 1 of the RPC or Revised Penal Code as amended by Section 26 of Republic Act number 10951 for service of sentence, MCTC, San Carlos City, Pangasinan, unserved. Direct bribery, Supreme Court ruled for service of sentence unserved. Natan, wala ray significant revelations to yan suspect at ating tanagagig. A subject person revealed that he was a former associate graft investigation officer 3 sa Ombudsman. Sa may Agham Road, Quezon City, from 2004 to 2017. But he was arrested by the NBI Manila through entrapment operation by the complaint of a former Pangasinan governor. Kunimbitlaan, of a former Pangasinan governor for bribery. And the latter sentenced by the Supreme Court guilty of the said offense on 2023. However, the said sentence was not yet served. Sandigang Bayan, Special Third Division Case Number SB-17-Criminal CRM-1509 for violation of Article 210 of the Revised Penal Code, Direct Bribery. On 2019 to 2022, walay history tulaya manayan to. He was also employed by a congressman. Jadluyag tayo Pangasinan. Kalamot ni Bitlan Sungaran, no sipayan congressman. He was employed by a certain congressman as a legal consultant and charged by the Ombudsman for falsification of public documents and usurpation of authority. Accordingly, the party of the congressman wants to secure the bidding and liquidation documents pertaining to the expansion of a municipal hall, wherein the subject person issued falsified subpoena from Ombudsman to COA Provincial Satellite Auditing Office. He was convicted by the MCTC. Nasa kay MCTC, jadluyag tayong Pangasinan, agkunibiglaan mo't, an ordered to serve sentence on 2025. Also, he was not yet able to serve the said sentence. So, duwara. So, sentensya tula, pero sa pakapakulaw, aki ang gapod kulungan. Walag paway, anatan allegedly, walay connection to, nitan. Ay siya nga pala, pinabati ni Madam Emma Alipio ng happy 100th birthday si Nana Anastasia. Oy, sana all, Madam Emma, to 100th birthday. 100 years old, si Nana Anastasia. Bali-bali rin ngaran ng tinasari kadaanan iran tutuuan to, Happy birthday. Sa kwanto ng Madam Emma, Sir, yan po ang senior natin na narating ang 100 years old, isa sa mga centenarian po na tumanggap ng kanilang centenarian gift. Pero ngayon ang celebration po nila si Nanay Anastasia de los Santos. Oy! Galing nga. Antisikreto da, Madam Emma. Siguro masibari pising tansiran to. Siyempre, watan nirad barangay basing. Tayo barangay basing. Pising tansira. Sumaslak ya siramiditan. Singa karuman. Nanlutwak na kalabasa, patola, with eggplant, and then palya, bungay palya, at atang tanagagik. Insan sinabungay chicharon, baboy plus amay keran ingkalot ya balbalag ya bangos ay agke mananam suog to. Babasan ko yalanti at ating tanagagi kay so pimaway at sa kaya online say kwanto dya at ating tanagagik wala ni picture pimaway identifying that person tutungtungan tayo at ating tanagagik watan the balay na binmalay ay hindi pa nakatanggap po, next pa po sila. Ay okay, di bali pigari awatan day 100,000 tani 100 years old anto Madam Emma luri kita nay ay sana all maka naabot titan niya edad anto 100 years old. Pero ad satan so pimaway ya issue natan amput-aputang ya issue natan ditan at atang tanagagik at bali na binmali at allegedly walay connection to kuno pero sa ibabagadamot lang ti at may tawag tuy ay may tawag tuy ay at he's not connected at all pero walay tupot da iritaga binmali at atang tanagagik. The people of Binmalay are now starting to ask serious questions. Sakit sa question da, why were so many cases suddenly filed within just months against former Mayor Sammy Rosario. Although the former mayor has remained largely silent despite the filing of numerous cases against him within a very short period of time. Why were so many cases suddenly filed within just months? Why was an individual allegedly using another identity operating closely inside the tupat daya at atong tanagagi ka, why was an individual allegedly using another identity operating closely inside a certain office ditan sa LGU Binmalay? Okay. Why are there allegations that government resources and facilities were being used to prepare and build cases not only against political opponents but even against citizens perceived to be the opposing party? Questions po yan ng mga taga Binmalay. Nagtatanong po sila. Kasi itong growing concerns na to, again, their question is, itong mga growing concerns na ito involving personalities deserve a full and independent investigation because the public deserves to know. Una, natanong nila, who authorized these activities? Who authorized these activities? Were public resources used for political operations? Were public resources used for political operations? Considering the fact siguro na that certain person was seen working there. Okay. Pangatlo, were legal complaints weaponized for intimidation and political pressure? Were legal complaints weaponized for intimidation and political pressure? And another question, was there coordination to target opponents and critics? Was there coordination to target opponents and critics? Sa ikwanda harito to, this is no longer just politics. This is about protecting the integrity of public office and the rights of the people of Binmalay. So sa ikwanda, let evidence speak, let witnesses speak, let the truth come out through lawful investigation and due process. So, sikatutan, so, kulyaot, liknaan, nasari taga Binmalay at ating tanagagik, yasay kwanda, the public deserves to know who authorized these activities. Were public resources used for political operations? Were legal complaints weaponized for intimidation and political pressure? And was there coordination to target opponents and critics? This is no longer just politics. This is about protecting the integrity of public office and the rights of the people of Binmalay. Let evidence speak. Let witnesses speak. Let the truth come out through lawful investigation and, of course, huwag nating kalilimutan, due process. Tani, dad saya pimaway. At saya ay so online na tatong tanagagik at walay of course narinig na natin na sinasabi na hindi siya empleyado or not even a consultant sa LGU itong taong ito. Pero lumalabas naman sa investigation, may sinasabi naman doon sa investigation, tating tanagagik, tating tanagagik ya, parang may koneksyon, parang may koneksyon sa LGU. Doon sa nakapaloob na custodial debriefing report ng CIDG na may petsang May 4, 2026 na doon sa naganap, sinabi na natin yung circumstances ng kanyang pagkakaaresto at ating tanagagik. Doon sa custodial debriefing report, meron yung mga connections ng taong ito, nandun yung mga connections niya. Kung kanino siya konektado, kung saan siya konektado. Kaya lang tisay ko raw na SARAY taga Binmalay. Let evidence speak, let witnesses speak, let the truth come out through lawful investigation and due process. These are the growing concerns natanditan at bali na Binmalay. Kasi pangkalawanday, why were so many cases suddenly filed within just months? Why were so many cases suddenly filed within just months? Why was an individual allegedly using another identity operating closely inside that office? Why are there allegations that government resources and facilities were being used to prepare and build cases not only against political opponents but even against citizens perceived to oppose the administration? Tanijad sayay report at ating tanagagikayan to wala ni may barangay official ditan amu tinulungan tuya. Kasi another question, why was he employed as legal consultant? Tapos nag-provide pa siya ng legal assistance, providing legal assistance to a certain barangay kagawad who was captured for another case. Untan matad sa kinin barangay ditan Binmalay, who was charged for another case. And according to this report, talagang may mga significant revelations na dapat siguro maimbestigahan natin. Maimbestigahan ng mga otoridad, ng mga kinaukulan. Sabi nga ng mga kabaluyan natin dyan sa Binmalay, let the truth come out. Let the truth come out through lawful investigation and due process. Ay, masasalimutan talagang pataputang sa panahon. Another day, another SBM SARAY Balitan Matwa. Sa ikabusol na SARAY MBTF, managbalitay tilatan fake news. Akaulop akan tabay lalangula, sa ilawas yun kaaro kapaborito yu JCB Joseph Kanilang Bakani. Kantabay team at the technical side si Mr. END Engineer Nixon Dakal. Antabayan na susunod kaagad ang number 1 ikapaborito Joey Baby. Dito lamang sa number 1 pop news station ng lalawigan ng Pangasinan. Ang DWJE 88.1 FM Radyo Pangasinan Paborito.
Lumaban ka bayan, kung binmali, may pag-asa pa para bumangon at magkaisa. Tumindig ka bayan, kung binmali, hawak kamay nating harapin ang maayos na bukas at ihatid ang serbisyong agad maaasahan. O bayan, kung sinilangan, hindi ka nag-iisa, hindi ka iiwanan, ika'y sasamahan magpakailanman. Mahal kita, o bayan, kung binmali hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
SPM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Programan magipasabi na Saray Matuan nagagawa ed balay, probinsya, bansa, tanjat intiron mundo. SPM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Kaulok, Kantabayo, sa lawas kaaro tang kapaborito yo. Joseph Kanilang Bakani. SPM Saray Balitan Matua ed Radyo Pangasinan. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 9 hanggang alas 10 na kabuwasan. SPM Tired of the stress and noise of the city? And looking for the perfect getaway? Good thing there's J-Max Resort Hotel. Cozy rooms, a refreshing pool, and a peaceful escape for the whole family. Whether you are on a trip, a barkada outing, or even solo retreat, J-Max Resort Hotel is the perfect destination. So pack your bags, leave the stress behind, and discover the place where relaxation meets comfort. J-Max Resort Hotel, your perfect place for any kind of occasions. J-Max Resort Hotel is located at Villanueva Street, Poblacion Norte, Santa Barbara, Pangasinan. For inquiries, you may call at 0947-980-3263 or 075-636-8479. J-Max Resort Hotel.
Mga kababayan ko sa Malasiki, ang maayos at maunlad na komunidad ay nagsisimula sa ating lahat. Makilahok sa mga programa ng ating lokal na pamahalaan, kalinisan,